1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Rows and rows of angels' hair and ice cream castles in the air and feather canyons everywhere. I've looked at clouds that way, but now they only block the sun. They rain and snow on everyone. So many things I would have done, the clouds got in my way. I've looked at clouds from both sides now, from up and down. Still somehow it's clouds, illusions I recall. I really don't know at all. Moons and Junes and Ferris wheels, the dizzy dancing way you feel. When every fairy tale comes real, I've looked at love that way. But now it's just another show. You leave them laughing when you go, and if you care, don't let them go. Don't give yourself away. I've looked at love from both sides now, from win and lose, and still somehow it's love's illusions I recall. I really don't know love at all. Tears and fears and feeling proud to say I love you right out loud. Dreams and schemes and circus crowds, I've looked at life that way. But now old friends are acting strange. They shake their heads, they say I've changed, but something's lost.